Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about oil, US crude oil. So let's get started. I made several charts, but this is the one that I made on the 28th November 2022, and it is a weekly chart. I also had a monthly chart, but I don't know where the heck it went. So this is the area that I was expecting a bounce from, 78% of this rise, and this is the number here, 76, 79, and then 76. 43 was the main number. Below that was 76.05, right? So these are the couple of numbers that I was watching, but what happened is that it went up a little bit, but then started dropping again, and went by this low and a little bit more to the 88% level. So let me show you that chart is, okay, this is the monthly chart, by the way. So bigger picture I just recorded. This is how the monthly chart looked like. So this all the way, it went down to this level here, 70.85, which is reflected here on the weekly chart. You can see here that it dropped to 70.85, this white line, and then start to go up. So when it was there at 70.85, I made a daily chart on the December 12th, which is this. Why I made the chart is because the if you pull the fifth from here to here, the extension level of 127 was right there where it is making like a tweezer bottom, inside bottom. It's so many things. That's but tweezer bottom, like two big wicks in the bottom, is very important. It's a good reversal, two candlestick formation, a reversal formation where usually the price reverses, especially if it is at a level, SNR level, or any fib important levels. So extension levels are two most important are 127 and 161%. So first is 127, the second is 1. So I had other reasons to think that it's going to bounce from here. So I made this chart and I posted on my Telegram channel and I gave it to my subscriber as well that trade accordingly using my system, creative IP system, right? The entry system. So what happened to this chart? This chart, as of today, after 2 days, 12, 13, and 14, this is what happened. So it went up straight where I said it's going to go, but right now it is like above this level, trying to come back and probably testing this one or this one, and then continue to go to the upside. So let's see what happens. But this is what happened so far. But what I did with the help of this daily oil chart is the couple of trades I found with my system, a couple of entries. Like the first one was on the 12th, right? So right there, you see this buy order, SL moves to break even plus. This was the entry, and from 71.44, I took it to 73.43. Then the next day, it drops a little bit. This is, I'm playing between the 20-minute chart and the 40-minute chart. Different box sizes. Time has nothing to do with these candles, but I just say 20-minute and 40-minute just to identify that which time frame I'm calling has what brick size, right? So this one started to drop, and then I says, on the 13th, I found on the 40-minute chart, well, see, this was the first one from the 20-minute chart, then a dip, and this is the entry on the 40-minute chart, different box size, the bigger chart, and went up all the way from 74 to 75.69. Okay, this is on the 13th. Then on the 14th, the next one. See, this one, the last one was from here to here. Then it went up, dip, and another entry here. This mark is off a little bit, by the way. It's supposed to be here, right? So this one went to from 75.54 to 77.33. But as it was going to the upside, and then it went up here, and then came down, and I saw this one on. I was watching on a 20-minute chart as well. I'm watching both. So I kind of found like this one also is like a nice entry from 20-minute chart, even though it was an entry, nice entry that I could have taken from here, right? This one. But I said, let me take it from the 20-minute chart, see what happened. So the second one, this was the one. This is the one that it came down all the way here and it was rising, and I opened the trade. This one went from 76 to 77.36. Two trades today. from 40-minute chart, the other one from 20-minute chart. Perfect trades, and even before 13 and 12, nice trades, and just because of this daily chart. And it is an extension level is a very important. It's basically it's a level of harmonic pattern called butterfly, but this was not proper butterfly pattern because this level was off. So knowing a little bit of this, a little bit of that, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, SNL level, you can find these setups and these opportunities all over the place. Doesn't matter it's oil or gold or forex or stock market, anything that you can have on MT4. You can do a technical analysis like this and follow up and take trades like using any system. It's my system. I'm using this one. If you have any good system, yeah, you can use it. But the bottom line is that you must know a little bit of this technical analysis. The turning points are very important, right? I cannot go long here. I was looking at it, said, no, this is another candlestick formation. This bull candle, then this is small golden candle, and this black candle. This is called an evening star 3 candlestick formation, a powerful reversal candlestick formation. Right. So knowing all of that, this is called like a shooting star. It drops here, and then trend lines, of course, they help. And then SNL level, they have definitely big help. For example, this one it went up to this area, and from there on, boom, drop all the way. Right. So yeah. So if you want to, if you have any interest learning all of this, and if you want to learn, you can go to my website, creativetradingsystems.com. I have a course there, one-on-one. I teach over the Zoom, and it's like a 10-hour course, and you get to know every single thing about forex market, gold or silver or oil or anything you can have an MT4. You will be master of that, doing the analysis as well as taking the precise entries, and you can trade anything. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.